Welcome to my new video of Reach for the Top Part 2 Maria Sharapova. Let me give you an introduction related to Maria. Maria Sharapova was born on April 19, 1987. She is a Russian professional tennis player, a United States resident since 1994. Sharapova has competed on the Women's Tennis Association Tour since 2001. She has been ranked world number 1 in singles by the women's tennis on 5 separate occasions for a total of 21 weeks. She is one of the 10 women and the only Russian to hold the career Grand Slam. She is also an Olympic medalist, having won silver for Russia in the women's singles at the 2012 Summer Olympics in London. Coming to the theme of this chapter, let us see what it is. This account is a biographical in nature and it focuses on the grand achievements of the famous tennis player Maria Sharapova, who earned the title of the world number 1 in women's tennis in 2005. The author reveals that one has to pay a price for reaching the top in the form of hard labor, rigorous training and sacrifice. Sometimes one has to undergo mental torture too on this path to success, but the rewards are always sweet and satisfying. Let us see how appropriate the title is. The title Reach for the Top is very appropriate for this account of Maria Sharapova's journey as a top-class tennis player. This journey started with early training in her childhood and culminated in her becoming the number 1 in the world of tennis. The top symbolizes the highest point reached by Maria. She reached this top by dint of her earnest efforts and diligent work. Thus, the title is very apt in that it salutes the courage and strong willpower of this young tennis star who overcame all hardships and obstructions to reach the top. Let us have a glance at the whole chapter. Maria Sharapova is a Siberian-born girl who became the world's number 1 tennis player. She came to United States of America at the age of 9, accompanied by her father Yuri. Her mother Yelena could not come with them due to some visa problems. So, she felt quite lonely without her. Her father took her to Florida for professional training in tennis. In Florida, after her training, she would sleep early while the other tennis players returned by 11 p.m. They would wake her up and make her clean the room. But Maria did not let herself get depressed because she was clear in what she wanted. It was rather, you can say, a blessing because it made her learn how to take care of herself and also made her mentally very tough. She came from nothing and had nothing, which made her hungry and determined her to pursue her dreams. She worked hard and she bagged the ladies' singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and rose to world's number 1 in 2005 due to her mental toughness, hard work and focus. Her mantra for success was hard work and a competitive spirit. Her hobbies are fashion, dancing and singing. She is fond of sophisticated evening gowns, having pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. She loved her country, Russia, and was ready to play for her country in the Olympics if they would want her to. Her meteoric rise to the world number 1 was a result of her talent, desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice. So this is all about the chapter. Coming to the character sketch of Maria Sharapova, as we have seen that she is portrayed as a confident and a tolerant girl who from the very beginning we see that she is very much tolerant of the various inflictions which were done to her when she had joined the training in Florida. She remained calm and composed and did not rebel against anyone. Her immense willpower is portrayed in her focus and determination to stay there and to pursue her dreams. Her sacrificial nature can be portrayed from the very beginning When she was just 9 years old, she came to Florida with her father, sacrificing her interest and her time with her mother. Patriotism can be displayed when she was ready to play for her country, Russia, even though she had a training in USA, Florida. She is very competitive and a very, you can say, a tough woman and a sportswoman. Regarding her fashionista, she was very much interested in wearing evening gowns, just like the other girls. She used to spend her evenings in a joyful manner. Now, as we have done part 1 and part 2, let us see what are the comparisons drawn between Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Today, both Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova are enjoying the status of celebrities. To attain this position, they both had to work very hard in their lives. Both of these girls were of young and true determination. They had a clear vision of their life. They wanted to become something in life. They wanted to raise themselves up from the common people around them. They sacrificed all comforts and pleasures of life to achieve their aim. Both of them were able to realize their aims. They reached the top of the world. Santosh Yadav became the only woman of the world to scale Mount Everest twice. And Maria Sharapova, she got the first position in the world in women's tennis. Both of them proved that nothing is impossible before true determination and iron will. So this is all about the chapter part 1 and part 2 of Reach for the Top. So if we have firm determination, focus, we will be able to achieve our goals and become successful in our lives. Thank you.